Oh man, and I wanted to have a city sprinkler party out here. Dang. Maybe this is why all of our trees are all messed up. Emerald ash borer survey. You think that's why?
Yeah, maybe that's why they're all tagged. They're looking for this boar.
Oh, cause look, here's one of those dog tag thingies.
Yeah.
Well, I love how they publicly announce it and post it on a random tree that we actually had to search for.
You have to go arrest the pest.
So here we are at the water treatment plant. Yeah, like I want to go in. What concerns me is the little life preserver over there. As if somebody really would go in. Oh my goodness. You want to go swim and poop?
Sure.
Okay. They got a life preserver there.
Good.
Yay! Hey, water treatment plant. Can I use your bathroom?
We think it's funny.
It's okay, you don't have to. Public water access to what?
Pan around.
Do you see any water besides the water treatment plant?
I think that might be a river. Well, why would you want to go out?
Why? You're full of lies, sign! God. So frustrated. This walk is taking forever. Just kidding, everybody. We found the water. Repeat, we have found the water. The mighty crow, which actually has water in it for once, which is kind of funny. I think that's where the creek comes out.
We'll come back in a couple months and show them the sand and the grass.
Yeah, there'll be nothing out here. This river is like so low, usually. Look, there's the BMX course right behind us. Yay! But we still have a long ways to go till we get home.